Here we go, guys. Me and Big T. Back out on the tinny. We just punched through, you can't really see it, but we just punched through a lot of chop to get here. Broke the rib there on the boat. It was very rough. We're just trolling a couple of lures here. It's 8 foot. And it's a big high tide today, so it's a 3.4 meter, which is about now, down to a 1 meter. So we're gonna be fishing the shallows for a bit, where the fish are pushed right up in there, hoping for a nice queenie or a jack or something like that. And yeah, we got a creek mouth here in front of us and a creek mouth behind us, so it's a big estuary system. But hopefully with these shallow divers we can hook a nice fish to show you guys. Righto, so we just anchored up. We stopped trolling because yeah, there was no luck. I think it might have to do with the tide, it's just slack. But it's going to start running out soon, so we just got a couple dead herring on at the moment because there's no live bait around either at the moment. So I think once all this tide starts running, fish will come on the chew, the live bait will start to show up, and we'll change the tactics again. But for now, anchored up, fishing some dead baits, hoping for a nice fish.
Hooked up. What do you got, eh?
Be a bouncer.
No.
Yeah. I'll chuck it away. Yeah. Yeah, just hold that for a second. Just give it a crank. Let me just put this on my head. Just keep this up. Righto, guys. Thanks. Righto, get the net ready if you can. Here we go. We're just saying that you got to be patient fishing.
We're not fishing for barrow though.
No, oh no, it's a trevally actually. It's not a barrow, it's a trevally. Little trevally. I saw a silver. Oh. There you go. First fish in the morning.
Good Trevor.
Yeah. Happy with that. It's no jack, but that'll do for me. I'm gonna have some float. Here's that trevally. Off he goes. I'm gonna keep doing drifts along here and just casting on the prawn. There we go. Tim's just hooked up on the plastic. I'll get mine in. Watch the rocks.
Angry little Trevor.
Yeah. You gotta tap and then come back for more. Couldn't resist. I'll grab that net.
Cheers, mate.
There you go.
Trevally fishing at its best.
Alright, well, Tim just dropped a nice fish as soon as he said it's getting a bit quiet. And so we're still casting. I got a little bait jig at the back because fucking ripped me casting it up on a rock. Oh, there you go, on camera, look at that. How good was that?
Timed it.
Fuck yeah. There you go, on the prawn. I don't know, imagine it comes with a fucking
big shark.
Oh, it's a big cod, man. Grab the net. Oh, it's a big cod, eh? Big dirty cod.
Big old dirty cod.
Yeah, big dirty cod, black spot. That's no trevally. I'm gonna put him in the rocks. Look at him.
Oh, there's a horse.
Yeah. Oh, look at that, eh? That's one way to do it on camera.
You.
Gold spot. That's a beautiful cod.
On the reef.
We just got this the fat cod. We're gonna keep him for a bit of feed. He was on the prawn lure again, a little soft plastic, as you guys seen. He whacked it. Look at the crabs down his throat too. You can't really see that in the light, but he's got 2-3 crabs down his throat. He's been feeding this fella. He's fat too. Beautiful gold spot cod, quite large. Yeah, he's dinner. Doesn't feel like a trevor. Oh, it's another cod. felt a bit of a tap, tap, tap. Set the hook. He's only just hooked. Oh no, he's hooked alright. He's only a little cod, this one. There you go. Another little gold spot. I'll let him go. Pliers there somewhere. Oh, there they are. Oh. Hang on. Oh, fucking hell. He's hooked well. Big hooks. Fucking hell, these pliers are shit. Off he goes. Beautiful. Keep casting. Righto, so it is getting a bit late now. Well, not really, but this wind's starting to howl. It's probably blowing about 15 to 20 knots now, and we're gonna make it back to the beach over there. We're gonna be taking it side on in the tinny. We already cracked the hull this morning, but yeah, now we gotta flog back side on. You can hear the wind noise, and you can see how fast we're going. Wind's howling, but yeah, we're gonna make our way back with a long, slow, big punch back, and try not to let anything bad happen. Righto, let's see how we go. One cod in the esky, and all the other fish were released. So we made it from over in that mountain range. We're gonna have a little bit of a caster here for some weenies and flathead. But yeah, it was a bit got a bit wet coming back. It's a bit choppy. Taking it side on, but this morning we're taking it head on. So no, it wasn't too bad. Thought it was gonna be a bit worse. Take a bit longer, but it didn't. So yeah, we're just gonna fish here, do a drift down the edge here, and then keep poking around the corner. And yeah, just wing it from here, really. Alright, let's get to it. Have a go with this, guys. Look how nice the water is. I don't know if you can see in the GoPro, but it's quite clean. We got a bunch of fresh water that's pushed out here and made this bit of a sandbank here. And we've got rocks out of the water, and it's just a clear blue through here with purples from the bommies and greens and aquas, turquoise, all your sea colours are right here. Look at this paradise here. New house getting built here, and a mansion down there. And on these rocks here, there's fresh water just pumping out of them. I'll show you guys. I'll give you a close look. We'll pull up on the beach after a couple flicks. Yeah, how nice is this? Look at this. Couple shallow bommies here. We're just gonna have a bit of a flick on. Look at that in front of us. Just absolutely pristine country right here. Our backyard, pretty much. You guys have seen us here in a couple of videos. Fish here quite a bit. Tim's into it. No holding back. Yeah, that's cool, eh? It's a nice house, that one. Look at where we are. You don't get better than this. Absolute paradise. Just pulled in. We're going for a swim. Completely fresh water. Wow. Oh, it's so nice. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's nice, eh? It's not even cold. Wow. Complete fresh water. It's fresh, eh? Oh, salt water here. And it goes to the fresh. Have a look at this, guys. We'll try to climb up there and look at this rock formation here. Look at that. A natural rock formation. Look at that. You can barely see up there. Wow. The dad board's in. Look at that. How nice is this? I'll try to have a look up there.
There's a photo of me.
Righto, we're going for a bit of a walk now. Going to have a look at this. Trying to climb up here. Oh. Oh wow. Look at that, there's a creek. So happy. This is living Barry. Look at that. Wow, I'm going to enjoy it. Have a long swim. There you go. Look at that. There you go. How nice is this bommy right here? Just anchored up. And been fishing it for a while. Tim's got a couple little cod on that with his bait. I just had a little tap on this. There's a turtle right there. But yeah, beautiful bommy. Nice purples. It's quite a nice spot here. Look at the fish right. Is that a red emperor? Look at the red emperor. Look right there, little red emperor.
Is it?
Yeah. Yeah, that was, I don't know if you guys seen that on the camera, but there was a little red emperor right there. Wow. Fusiliers. Yeah, there's very nice bommies through here. It's a bit windy, but we're in the space, so it's alright. There you go, little squid.
Yeah, this fish is burning to death.
Righto. Alright, we're gonna sort with these fish.
Where's your grips?
Righto guys, back at the ramp. It was a good day out. I'll show you a little look at the esky. We got, in that last spot, we got a 39 centimetre trout. It's there, and got a grassy there too, and a cod. So, and I got a squid down there too that you would have seen, me catching. Yeah, we're gonna bring the car down now and hopefully not get bogged. But yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.